Let's finish the week by trying to find stuff. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have AXTARMAQ. AXTARMAQ. Did you notice? AXTARMAQ. Tar turned into dar. That happens. AXTARMAQ can mean to search, to look for, to seek. Let's see. Phrases first, and then sentences. To search online, to look for keys, to seek help. Onlayn AXTARMAQ. Online is written as such in Azerbaijani. It's a loanword. It is very similar to what we say online. It's just the stress is different. Stress is the last syllable. Açarları AXTARMAQ. To look for the keys. Açar, key. Açarlar, keys. Açarları da keys. Kömək AXTARMAQ. Kömək is a help. Let's see some sentences. Mən sinif yoldaşlarımı axtarmaq istəyirəm. I want to look for my classmates. This is for those who hasn't been in touch with them. Mən, I, sinif yoldaşlarım, sinif, class, yoldaş, mate, classmates. We write them separate. Sinif yoldaşlarımı, my classmates. Axtarmaq istəyirəm, want to. Axtarmaq, to look for. Mən sinif yoldaşlarımı axtarmaq istəyirəm. Did you pay attention? İstəyirəm. That's the spoken language. O, çıxış yolu axtarmaq qərarına gəldi. He or she decided, qərarına gəldi, to seek a solution. Çıxış yolu axtarmaq, seek a solution, or to look for a way out. It's similar. O, çıxış, because çıxış yolu is like literal translation, exit way, a way out. Or metaphorically, you can say çıxış yolu is a solution also. So hence, I have two options for you. Seek a solution, look for a way out. It depends how you want to use it. Otherwise, we are good using the word regular way, axtarmaq. I have also a different way of using it. I spent 5 minutes axtarmaq for my phone while it rang in my hand. That joke uses, yes. I also have masterazerbaijani.com if you want to read about learning Azerbaijani more, explore some tips and tricks. If you want to learn it in a systematic way, I also have Master Azerbaijani app available in App Store. Go in and download and enjoy learning. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.